We all use a lot of technology and systems and logins, and there's a lot that can go wrong and create problems for employees. Instant Chime V5 is a chat-based service desk designed to solve employee problems in real time using Microsoft Teams. Easily create and display FAQs, create custom chat workflows, integrate with other systems, and route requests to AI services for self-service. Here, an FAQ is presented that may or may not resolve the problem. If it does, it can be marked and the employees resolved. If not, they can route to an agent. Of course, when necessary, quickly connect the chat to your service desk agents for fast professional help. Instant Chime V5 service desk application integrated with Microsoft Teams.